What's up guys, it's Kelly from Muddybeards 414. Today I'm at King of the Hammers at our campsite and I decided to change out my locking hubs. I got brand new worn locking hubs, but I have better ones, the Yukon Chromoly Hardcore hubs. So I'm going to show you how to switch out your hubs to the Yukon Hardcore Chromoly hubs. So if you want to see more about King of the Hammers, you can head over to Bleep and Jeep. They did a really good video, long video about our whole trip here, or check out our Instagram and check out the videos we have up there. So let's get started on this hub. Just gotta start by taking off the old one. It's a 964 Allen. And you are gonna need some snap ring pliers, a pick, maybe a hammer, pocket screwdriver. These are all the things that I've been using to take this out. So you're gonna have your inner ring here that holds the outside. You gotta pull out with your pick. And then there's a snap ring that holds it on the inside here. To make my life easier, I just take a couple of these screws here, screw them in, pop it out. Just that easy. Now we got the old one out. Time to assemble the Yukon hub here. So there's a couple different pieces that this has that the Warren doesn't. There's this ring right here that's going to go inside, that's going to seat up against the outer bearing, so the spring has a place to ride on and not just on the bearing. Pop that in. Okay, spring now goes in there. Boom, easy. There's also this little spacer here, and they could be different depending on what axle you have. GM, Ford, this is actually a Ford axle, Jeep, and just look up and see what spacer is right for you. That slides in there. And then we got this interlocking piece. And this outer piece that actually spins. So this gold side's got a little gold on here. It looks gold, is what you're going to slide in here. But you got to be ready with your snap ring pliers, and you're probably going to want to take a pry bar and pull your axle shaft all the way out so you can get your snap ring on there. There we go. Get your snap ring ready. Pliers here. And make sure that your snap ring is seated all the way in, all the way around. It's not going to come out. So the snap rings are the same on these, but this piece, this outer retaining ring that goes into the hub, is slightly different. This has basically a ring that has like 3 layers that can go around. Still pretty easy to put in there though. Just start with one side, put it in, and just kind of pull up and slide the rest in there. Didn't get in there. So where a pocket screwdriver is handy. Pop it in. Just kind of work it all the way around. sure it's fully seated in there. There we go. And this outer piece here. So these things are really cool because if you break something or you break them, they're always in the lock position, so it won't get you stuck on the trail in two-wheel drive. So that's nice. So make sure when you assemble it, this is in the lock position. You can see this. These pins right here, these kind of holes, are going to line up here. Kind of push on this, make sure it's free. And these new Allens are a little bit bigger. It's a 5/32. And also what's nice is these Allen bolts have this plastic washer in here, so water and debris and stuff doesn't get in. Now that we got it on here, turn it to the free mode, turn it to the lock mode. It spins freely. So now I'm going to jack it up real quick and actually make sure the axles are locking in and unlocking the way they're supposed to, and then we'll be all done. Okay, so we got locked. And the axle should be spinning, which it is. Perfect. And then spin it to free mode, and it is now unlocked. We'll go one more time back, lock it in, and my driveline spinning, which is good. Okay guys, now they got that done, I'm gonna go up on the roof of the motorhome and give you kind of a around the world view of King of the Hammers right now. It's loud pretty much all the time. Okay guys, well thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the button down below, like the video, subscribe to our channel, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, hit us up over there, and make sure you go over to Bleepin' Jeep, check out the full video of King of the Hammers, and we'll see you guys on the trail.